Hello everyone, welcome to Tracy's Cooking. Today I am going to make the best oatmeal banana pancake. We're going to make a fluffy, nice pancake today. So first we need 2 banana, 2 egg. This is 1 cup of ground oatmeal. This is freshly ground. See, I have my NutriBullet. If you have one, you can blend it with your NutriBullet using this. This is for dry ingredient, and the other cover is for liquid. So you will also need half a cup of coconut milk, 2 teaspoons of lime juice. I will explain to you the reason why I'm using lime juice later. Here I have 2 teaspoons baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and we are going to use also 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So we are going to start off by having our dish here to mash the bananas. We're going to peel our banana, break it into small pieces. This one here is a little thing. Yeah, there's a little overripe. We're just going to use a fork to mash the banana. So now we are going to add our eggs. We are going to add our lemon or lime juice. This is the reason here. This is to take away the scent of the egg. You know, sometimes you are eating something that is made from egg and you are getting that raw scent. The lime juice or lemon juice can help take that away. So for you to know next time, you can add a little lime juice to your egg mixture to take away the scent. So I'm going to add my coconut milk. Mix it properly right through. Then I'm going to add the oatmeal flour. And we are going to add our baking powder, spice, everything. Our vanilla. And then we are going to mix everything complete. So guys, this is our best banana. This is our best oatmeal banana pancake. Look at the texture coming on really nice. We're gonna mix to make sure everything It's properly mixed. So guys, this is the way you mix the best oatmeal banana pancake. It's ready to go in the pan. So after a few minutes, we are ready to flip the best oatmeal pancake. Let's go. You can always test your pancake by lifting to see if the color is changing. And then we are ready to lift. Oops. Yeah, we got it. Nice and fluffy. The best oatmeal banana pancake. Coming on really nice. So guys, we are about to make a nice topping for our oatmeal banana pancake. For this topping you will need 1 banana, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. See, I already crushed the banana. We're going to put about a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, about a half a teaspoon of vanilla, and we are going to mix this together. And if you never taste peanut butter with banana, you should give it a try. Oh, that thing is so tasty, delicious, comforting, filling. Ooh, this is so nice. So we're going to mix everything right through. So you know, this is a healthy breakfast, a filling breakfast. You know, you eat this in the morning, you don't want nothing more until lunchtime. You're getting your protein, complex carb, your fiber, your good fat. Wow. So this is the finished pancake, and here I have served nicely the pancake there with the topping, the peanut butter mixture, some sliced banana, and you just drop a next pancake on top, and there you go. Look at that. Isn't that a healthy breakfast, guys? Wow. Isn't this the best oatmeal pancake? Oatmeal banana pancake, of course. So guys, enjoy this lovely breakfast made from the best oatmeal banana and banana. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and don't forget to comment. Thank you for watching. Bye.